Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable voice recorder play continuously on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen, and then swipe up to go into the app screen. Next, tap on the Samsung folder and tap on voice recorder. In here, you want to tap on the menu key at the top. From the pop-up, tap on settings. In the voice recorder settings section, tap on play continuously switch to turn it on or off. And that's it. So now if it is switched on, you can go to the list and then play your memo or whatever it is that you want to play. And it will play continuously. You can see it goes to the next audio. Once it's finished, it will go to the next one. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.